Okay, now this is the coffee bean, if you can see that. And how you gonna do that now? Can you see how I do it? Tough bean, look. This is the tough bean. Oh, that's the bean. See? That's how it comes out.
I had 3 puppies and the mother and the
boy, you boy.
living in that suitcase.
They will jump away, man.
That's good.
Yeah. Alright, see that? Cherry ripe bean. Mm. Mm. See? Coffee bean from Thunder. Thunderball. This is a drink of coffee bean for Condoleezza Rice and Oprah.
Okay.
And you can give the president a taste of it. And who else? Who else wants to get some?
That the vice president that shot his friend.
Dick Cheney?
Yeah, Dick Cheney, man. Well, I don't make a joke on Dick Cheney because...
We give Dick Cheney a shot?
No, but tell him about
But I heard about it. I heard that some guy was, they went for duck hunting and some guy will try to make a pass like, he go quack quack. And Dick Cheney turned around and shot because he thought it was a duck there.
But it was his friend.
That's what I heard. So you know I wasn't up there to know about this? That's what I heard, man. I don't think they would shoot the guy, so you know what I mean. Why guy want to make a joke on a duck quack quack? I heard he was a swift shooter. You heard that quack quack and he spin around and shoot the gun? Oh, anyway, no joke about it, man. I'm Thunderball. I was in the place already, coming back up there. Give way.
Put down your locks for the people.
No, man, that's all right, man. Well, but this is what I do. I have them to understand. This, yeah. When you're drinking the good coffee bean, it's from Thunder. The ultimate. You say. It's good bean. Yeah,
Coffee.
And when you're cold, you want you work more, you know.
You think?
And yes, are you sweating in the cold? Sweat like rain in the cold, man.
Yeah, I think what we gotta do is sort all the chaff off of these.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Sweet. Yeah, this is a collection of beans from every part of the mountain. Gathering from every mountain top. Emperor East Side. I just keep turning around. All right, browning in a little bit.
Yeah. If you don't understand one another, then there's no chance. That's the way I look, you know? And I don't have to like what I understand about you. I just have to understand it, you know? Because if you understand it, then there's no like, no dislike.
No dislike.
It's just what you are.
It's like how the breeze blowing.
It's just the breeze.
We don't
People don't understand
we
that.
don't look for nothing. We don't say watch me.
When I come down to Jamaica, I'm under thunder trees.
Yeah.
And I'll do how thunder trees do it.
Yeah.
When you come up to Texas, he'll be under my tree. You do how I do it.
That's the way the brand work.
Yeah. It don't matter whether
Yeah.
it's his way or my way.
Yeah.
It's just in my tree.
Your tree.
Yeah.
Don't kill the groove and let it go tonight.
You got it.
That's good?
Yeah. Never. Huh. Worry does. Worry, you have a still camera, don't you?
This is the hard sugar stick, baby.
Why do you put the sugar in it?
All right, I'm curing the bean with the sugar, liquor.
This is liquor.
Natural beverage. Nana, put up your finger. Put up your finger. Touch them to move them. On the sun.
What?
Wow.
Hey, Rory,
Yes?
come over and take a little film of the ladies leaving for the funeral. They're all dressed up in their beautiful clothes.
Okay.
I'll have to tell you this story.